One of the most common health problem nowadays is the back pain with the women. The causes can be many, like the weak core muscles, or traveling too much, or the post-pregnancy back pain, or poor posture while working at office or at home. So how can we address this issue? So let's see how we can address back pain. So to address this issue, back pain, let's see a few activation and stretching exercise. So the first exercise is the reverse leg raises. For that you come to a prone lying position, that's on your chest. Yeah, hands across with the chin resting on the hand, and from this position you slowly bring your leg up and you squeeze your bum, your glutes, and you slowly bring it down. Again you bring the other leg up and down, 2 and down, 2 and down. The most important thing here is to maintain the hip position. The hip should not tilt. The hip shall remain there, and you bring your leg up, squeeze your bum and come to the final position there, and you go down, again up and down. You try to activate your glutes and your lower back and the hamstring in this exercise.